Hi, so I chose to go over problem number 13 for my video explanation. It says find the sum and product of each of these pairs of numbers, and it has a binary addition and multiplication and octal addition and multiplication. So the first one is adding 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. So the addition in binary is pretty straightforward. It's just kind of dealing with a lot of carries and depending on which row, sometimes you have to carry a second one over. So this one's pretty easy. So 1 1 adds to 2, and that's just going to evaluate to a 0 there, but it carries a 1 also. So with this one, it's going to evaluate to 3, which carries a 1 but also leaves a 1 down here. So you get the 1. Again, same thing happens in this row, adding by column, where you leave a 1 here, carry 1 1 there, and then even though it's 0 0, the 1 carried still goes there. Now we're back to no carries, and 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is also 1, and with this one, because the 1 gets carried, the 0 goes here, and the 1 goes into the next spot, which leaves us with 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 for the addition. Go into the multiplication. It's a little bit more in depth, but it's really similar to regular multiplication, where you're just taking the lower term, which is on top here, and then just multiplying it by each digit that's found in the second term. So we'll start off with the 1 getting multiplied out here, and this comes across really straightforward to produce our second term. Now, just like regular multiplication, we're going to take the second term and shift over one bracket. So doing that, we get this same output actually, but just shifted over one bracket. Same thing happens here with the 1s. With a 0, you're just going to skip a column, so you can put a column of 0s or an X, whichever makes sense. Again, since we have 1s, doing the same here, and then the same comes down here, and the same comes down here. And the kind of tricky part is when you have to add all of these together. So basically here, we're just doing an addition of multiple rows. So the 1 is just going to come down to a 1. 1 plus 1 evaluates to 2, so a 0 is going to come down here, carry a 1. Since this is an even number of 1s, it's 4. We're going to get another 0 and carry 2 1s. So this is 2 plus 2 1s. We're going to get another 0, carry 2 more 1s. Again, happens again here. We have 4 1s, carry, or put a 0 down there and carry 2 more 1s. Same thing with this one. Another 4 1s, so 0 down here, carry 4 1s over to this one. Now with this one, we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1s. So it's going to be a 0, but we're carrying 3 1s over to this column, which leaves us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, another 6, so a 0 again, and we're carrying 3. Now finally with this one, we have an odd number, which is 5 1s in here, so it's going to leave 1 1 down here, carry 2, with all the 0s, it values to another 1, just carry 1, that carries again to that 1, and now finally we can just carry to this one, which leaves the last 0 and the 1 on the outside. So which brings our number to 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. So that's the multiplication product. So for B, we're going octal addition first, and it's pretty straightforward here. It's again just adding the columns. There weren't really any carries in this one, so it was kind of a little bit more simple, just because these all evaluate to octal numbers, which is 0 through 7. So here we just had 1 plus 2, 3, 0 plus 7, 7, 0 plus 2, 2, and 6 in its own column gets a 6. So 6, 2, 3, 7 was the sum of those two. So for the product, it gets a little bit more in depth, but pretty much the same operation, where you're multiplying across with 2, it comes down to 2, 0, 0, pretty basic there. Now with the 12, that's going to be above the octal 8, So it's going to leave 4 here and carry another 1 over. So the first line is going to be evaluated to 14,002. Secondly, we're going to start with the 7, go to 7, it goes here, 0, 0, just like the top. And now here we have a 42. So there are going to be, let's see, 5 8s, which carries over to here. So that's going to bring that to a 5 there. And with 2 left over, it's going to stay here. It's 52007 for the second line. The final line is 14002 because it's, again, the same operation as that. And now we're doing the same thing, just adding them all together, checking if we have any carries. But I think there was only 1 carry at the end. But so 2 with nothing is 0, a 7 is under the octal, it's 8 or 7 there. Again, 0, 0, and 2 is 2, 4 comes down here, 3 there, and now this one with the carry, we get 9 from 5 and 4, so which is going to leave 1 over and carry 1, which is going to let 2 in that column. So 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, 7, 2 is our final product. Thank you.